For our latest project on the Spokane River in Core D'Alene, Idaho, we took on a full landscape redesign, turning this riverside property into a stunning outdoor retreat. We added new grass, an irrigation system, a calming water feature, a patio, a gas fire pit, and more, all designed to complement the natural beauty of the riverfront. Our clients wanted a place to relax, enjoy the river views, and create lasting memories with family. With an open layout, they can take in these beautiful views from anywhere in the yard or from the comfort of their home. To protect the shoreline and create a private beach area, we built a natural basalt retaining wall, adding both function and charm to the space. The natural basalt fire rock was a perfect touch to match the surrounding landscaping in the water feature and around the whole yard. Our hardworking crews bring years of experience to every project, ensuring that the job is done right and completed on time. Their dedication to quality is what makes transformations like this possible. This project is a great example of what backyard resort living is all about. Spaces that bring friends and family together. Let us know if we can help design and build your backyard resort at alderwoodlandscaping.com.